In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money making meme coins on Pumpfun. The basic idea is simple. You create a token on Pump.fun, launch it through the platform's built-in system, and then position yourself to benefit as activity grows around that coin. This process happens on Solana, so before you begin, make sure you understand that fees, token prices, and market results can change quickly. To get started, head over to Pump.fun. On the platform, you'll create your token by setting up three core elements: the name, the ticker, and the image. These are the main pieces people will see first, so make them clear and memorable. After that, connect your Solana wallet such as Phantom so the platform can handle the launch. There is usually a small deployment cost, around 0.1 SOL, and you'll also need to buy the initial tokens during the launch process. That initial purchase matters because it helps establish your starting position in the token. Once the token is live, it begins on what's called a bonding curve. This is one of the most important concepts to understand. A bonding curve is the pricing mechanism for new coins on the platform. As more people buy the coin, the price increases automatically along that curve. In other words, demand pushes the token upward in a structured way. That's why early positioning can be important, and it's also why momentum can build very fast when attention starts flowing into a coin. If your token gains enough traction, the next major milestone is graduation to Radium. When the coin reaches a market capitalization of around $60,000, the protocol moves the remaining funds to Radium, which is a larger trading market. This matters because it gives the coin broader exposure and allows it to be traded more widely. For many creators, that graduation point is a key target because it can significantly increase visibility and trading activity. Another part of the opportunity is fee generation. You can earn fees when people buy and sell your coin on the platform. So the potential to make money is not only tied to the token's price movement, but also to the trading activity surrounding it. The more engagement your coin gets, the more meaningful those fees can become. As you go through this process, focus on understanding each stage clearly: creation, launch, bonding curve growth, graduation, and fee earning. Pump.fun makes Memecoin creation accessible, but success still depends on timing, attention, and market participation. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll understand how the platform works and how people aim to profit from launching meme coins on it.